Hello guys. Welcome to our new video. In this video we will show you best wall-mounted fans. This product is based on my personal opinion, about price, quality and durability. I have checked also many users' review. If you want to know more about this all kinds of products, please check the description below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get future reviews. Let's start the video. Starting on number 5, Simple Deluxe Wall Mount. The Simple Deluxe ETL certified wall-mounted fan can be another ideal cooling solution for residential, commercial, industrial, and other setups. If you want a fan that will cool your living room, gym, garage, office, greenhouse, workshop, or any other different type of space, this high-velocity fan that comes with a 72-inch power cord is sure to meet your expectations. Performing 3 functions, i.e. cooling, lowering humidity levels, and circulating air within a room, the Simple Deluxe fan for walls is backed up by a 1-year warranty. Main features: wall mount design, inbuilt thermal overload protection, remote control, inbuilt timer, aluminum steel abs plastic construction, 3 fan mode settings, 3 fan speed settings, powerful yet quiet 120 volts 60 Hz 60 W motor, durable steel neck, 16-inch ABS plastic blades. Moving at number 4, Hydrofarm ACFW16HDB Active Air Whisper. The Hydrofarm ACFW16HDB Active Wall-Mounted Fan, which boasts a simplified yet elegant design, is built to run non-stop, unlike other wall-mounted fans in its category. This commercial-grade quality cooling solution cools, circulates air and expels harmful contaminants or particles from the air like no other. Plus, it's whisper quiet, not to mention the fact that it attaches so easily to the wall that you won't need a helping hand in mounting it to your wall. Last but not least, Hydrofarm's lock-in-place or side-to-side oscillation with upwards and/or downwards tilt design ensures the fan is able to direct air where you need it most, making it more effective than other fans in its class. Main features: high speed, 1350 RPM motor, aluminum blades and steel frame, 3 speed settings, lock-in-place or side-to-side oscillation with upwards and/or downwards tilt design, continuous operation, 16 inches fan blades. At number 3, Vivasun Wall Mount Oscillating Fan. The Vivasun 2-packet wall-mounted fan is an ETL-certified cooling solution that's perfect for living rooms, garages, stores, greenhouses, etc. Boasting balanced fan blades along with well-built motor and oscillation mechanism, this fan remains one of the quietest, highly versatile fans you will ever come across. Plus, it is backed by a 1-year warranty, which covers product defects and workmanship. Main features: 3 speed settings, a powerful yet whisper quiet motor, 2 convenient pull cords, for oscillation and speed controls, vertical tilt head with a 60 degrees range, durable steel neck, 16 inches blades. At number 2, AirKing 9318 Industrial Grade High Velocity Mount Fan. AirKing 9318 wall-mounted fan is an ETL and OSHA-compliant cooling solution that's tested in accordance with AMCA standard 230.99. It cools and circulates air like no other, providing optimum value. Apart from walls, this 3190 CFM fan can be mounted to steel beams or ceilings, saving significant table and floor spaces. Plus, just like other fans in its category, this optimal performance cooling solution comes with a powerful motor that provides instant cooling and air displacement. Main features: 18-inch powder-coated steel blades, 3 speed settings, 1/6 HP, 3190 CFM, 1-phase, 120 volts, totally enclosed ball bearing motor, rear-mounted pull cord switch, 108-inch, 3-conductor SJT-type power cord, powder-coated steel blade guard. Finally at number 1, iLiving ILG8E 14/15 Waterproof Outdoor Wall Mount Fan. The iLiving wall-mounted fan is a moisture-resistant cooling solution that can be used both indoors and outdoors. Recommending this fan is for use with the iLiving ILG 250 cooling system fan misting kit. Plus, it rates highly for performance and durability, ensuring value for money. Furthermore, there is a 1-year warranty against unintended defects, failures, and workmanship issues. Main features: 14/18-inch curved, 2,473 6,360 CFM, factory balanced, powder-coated aluminum blades. 3-speed settings. Pull chain control. Sealed, permanently lubricated industrial motor. Adjustable wall mount bracket. Galvanized steel frame. Corrosion-resistant finish. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe.